homemade DIY sanitizer. Ingredients required are the aloe vera, some 3 to 4 strips of aloe vera, and then the surgical spirit, or you can prefer it of about 50 ml or 100 ml, and the coconut oil. For me it was Vatica. You can also prefer any kind of coconut oil, and also the eucalyptus oil. You can also take it a tea tree oil too. So firstly, peel off all this aloe vera and make use of it. So I've made into some. You can use a fresh natural aloe vera plant or any store-bought natural aloe vera gel. So use of this aloe vera gel is it provides moisture and nourishment. So it helps to balance the harsh drying effects of alcohol. So as the surgical spirit contains alcohol, it may cause the skin erosion. So it causes some drying effects. So mixing of this aloe vera gel, it provides moisture to our hands. So after the mix is completed, so combine both of these, so the spirit and the aloe vera mix. Stir it well until it gets a uniform mix. And then take any of the essential oil. It's not that we have to take a particular kind of coconut oil. So add some vitamin E oil, and I've preferred Vatica, which was with me. And this oil, it also provides a nice moisturizing. It acts as a nice moisturizing factor. Just use some 3 to 4 drops of this oil and mix it. And then use the I have preferred eucalyptus oil. You can also take tea tree oil. So this is eucalyptus has a greater scientific significance, and also I would like to use it for essence purpose. So take some pinches of eucalyptus oil and then stir it well. So due to the addition of all these ingredients, it was very smooth and it was not at all greasy. You can just feel it very safe. Dispense the mix in any of the bottles which we have used, which are available